of the morning to you all. It's me, Mr. Rose, and we're out again to check this. Wow, it's beautiful. Look at that. Okay, that was short-lived. Apparently, it's just a quick pit stop just to see how it is. And yeah, we are on the road again. We're heading for Sagamiko Lake. It has a theme park, some sort of a theme park, but the sun is out as it has been for the past 3 weeks. We barely had any rainfall, and yep, we're on the road. What else should I mention? I think that's about it. This actual vlog actually took place exactly last year, and it took me nearly a year just to put this together. That's simply because of my busy schedule here. As you can see in this video, it's been sunny the entire time, and it's the complete opposite of what we're having now here in Tokyo. So we are here in Sagamiko Lake. Oh no, I'm not allowed. Basically, this place is Japan's equivalent of Winter Wonderland. British market. Do I get a VIP pass in this one? What is this? Looks like some sort of a prison cell, and they've shoved kids in there. Guys, check this out. We're in Japan, and these cable cars somehow do not have safety measures. There's no seat belts, look. No seat belts. I'm astonished. Waiting for 5 o'clock so you can see every bit of the park light up. But more importantly, we've come across something really annoying. Basically, you have this part of the park, and you have another part of the park up there. Now, in order to get through there, you can go through the cable car, which doesn't have any seat belts, and on top of that, there's no other alternatives, because this path is blocked off, which is stupid. It's just silly because there's no notification on the map. I mean, if we had known that there was no way up there on foot, we could have taken the cable car, even though it did not have any seatbelts. Yeah, it's just annoying. There's no indication. I know it's 5 o'clock. So yeah, this thing is just it's silly. Wow, that's such a beauty. Whoever is paying for the electric bill, best of luck. Best of luck. Okay, she just called this one casserole. It's a casserole. Someone is definitely hungry. I feel like I'm in Star Wars with this one. It's kind of like a lightsaber, not a small one. And it's such a coincidence that we got this one on the week where they just released a new Star Wars movie. Is it out? I think it is.
I know your Japanese is a bit girlish.
Top of the morning to you all. I'm here just by Mount Fuji, as you can see right behind me. And basically, we're here for a couple of days. Well, couple of days, a night, where we will be spending the New Year's Eve on. It's gonna be an exciting time because we're gonna be spending it at one of the most famous um, hot springs here by Mount Fuji. So take around. And by the way, I didn't get much to take um, shots earlier because we were just dead on a rush. So yeah, I'll leave you guys to it. So we are here in Shizuoka in the visitor center in Shizuoka. It's beautiful. You got Mount Fuji right there. It's starting to clear up. I mean, like the cloud. It's supposed to be like this. It could have been worse. Actually, it should have been worse. So basically, that'll be Mount Fuji if it's clear, but so far it's not. But it's not too bad, right? It's not too bad. It could have been raining, it could have been snowing, it could have been windy, but it's not. Unfortunately, there was no videos to actually include to show you guys how the hike up Mount Ryugatake, but what we can actually include is some beautiful images of what we were able to obtain. It took us more than 4 hours to actually get to the top, and by the time we got up, we were greeted by fantastic and amazing views and sceneries. It was simply too cold that our devices could not handle the extreme cold conditions here, but I just hope that you guys love every picture minute of this video.